the ability to read, write, and analyze, the confidence to stand up and demand justice and equality, the qualifications and connections to get your foot in the door and take your seat at the table. All of that starts with education. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my channel. First of all, let me thank you all for giving me some time for it and for your support also. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, मैं अपनी कुछ काम की वजह से थोड़ी देर ब्रेक चाहती थी और इसके लिए आप सबको थैंक यू, क्योंकि आप सब ने मुझे इसके लिए थोड़ी सी टाइम दे दी. ओके, लेट मी स्टार्ट बाय सेइंग ए फ्यू वर्ड्स अबाउट माय सब्जेक्ट. As you can see on the screen, today our topic is exercise of force and pressure. This one is the exercise of force and pressure. I was already sent it in my channel. Already sent the answers of these questions, following questions in my channel. Now it is the time for explanation. Okay, so see the first question. Give two examples each of situation in which you push or pull to change the state of motion of an object. Okay, first see the situations in which you push the object. Okay, pushing means when you want to close a drawer. Think about the situations when you want to close a drawer. जब आप एक ड्रॉयर को क्लोज करना चाहते हो, you just simply push it. Okay, so next, pull situation. Opposite of it, when you want to open a drawer, you just pull it. When you want to close a drawer, just push it, and when you want to open a drawer, you just pull it. Clear? Okay, see the next question. The next question is, give two examples of situations in which applied forces causes a change in the shape of an object. The questions tell such the question asks such only two examples related to changes in shape of an object by applying a force. Okay, when you applied a force on a rubber band that you wearing in your head or wearing in your hair, when you applied a force on a rubber band, it simply changes its shape or it stretch out. जब आप एक रबर बैंड के ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई करते हो, सिंपली ये स्ट्रेचिंग हो जाती है और अपना शेप चेंज कर लेती है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, टेल मी द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. When you applied an external force on a wet clay, it also changes its shape. और आपको जो भी शेप चाहिए, आप जो भी डॉल वगैरह चाहते हो, वही शेप्स आप बना सकते हो. यू मेड एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट बाय यूजिंग द वेट क्ले. ओके, सो jump to the next question, that is fill in the blanks. First, to draw water from a well, we have to dash at the rope. To draw water from a well, एक वेल से वाटर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए we have to dash at the rope. आपको ऊपर की तरफ खींचना है. मीन्स सिंपली टेल मी, to draw water from a well we have to pull at the rope. क्योंकि आपको ऊपर की तरफ उसको लाना है, अपने तरफ उसको खींचना है. So simply pull at the rope. A charged body dash an uncharged body towards it. See, it is charged body, it is uncharged body. जैसे कि मैंने पहले आपको कहा था, सिमिलर चार्ज रिपेल ईच अदर एंड ऑपोजिट चार्जेस अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. रिपेल मीन्स डिस्ट्रैक्ट, opposite of attract. So this one is charged body and this one is uncharged body. They are different, so they are attract to each other. So a charged body attracts an uncharged body towards it. Next question, to move a loaded trolley we have to dash it. एक loaded trolley, एक ट्रॉली जो कि लोड हुआ है, we have to dash it.